Have you noticed how people are suddenly getting more done in half the time? Some are creating videos in minutes. Others are writing content, automating work, building websites, editing photos, and making money online without hiring a team. The secret? AI tools. And the crazy part is, many of the best ones are completely free. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best free AI tools you should start using every single day if you want to save time, boost productivity, grow online, make money with AI, and trust me, a few of these tools feel illegal to use for free. Let's get into it. First up, ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it already, but most people are barely using 10% of what it can actually do. ChatGPT can help you write emails, generate business ideas, create YouTube scripts, summarize documents, brainstorm content, learn skills faster, automate repetitive tasks. Think of it like having a personal AI assistant available 24/7. Here's the real game changer, though: the people making money with AI are not necessarily smarter. They just know how to use better prompts. For example, instead of saying, "Give me business ideas," you can say, "Give me 5 beginner-friendly online businesses I can start with zero investment using AI tools." That one small change gives massively better results. If you're a student, creator, freelancer, entrepreneur, then ChatGPT is basically a daily must-have. And yes, the free version is already incredibly powerful. Next is Canva AI. Canva used to be just a design tool. Now it's basically an entire AI content studio. You can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, TikTok covers, presentations, logos, videos, AI-generated images, in just minutes. One of the best features is Magic Design. You type a simple idea, and Canva instantly creates professional-looking designs for you. No design experience needed. This is huge for creators and small businesses because hiring designers gets expensive fast. But now, you can create viral-looking content yourself with AI. And honestly, a lot of content online is already being made using Canva AI. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated AI tools right now, Perplexity AI. Imagine combining Google plus ChatGPT together. That's basically Perplexity. Instead of scrolling through 10 websites trying to find answers, Perplexity gives you instant answers, AI summaries, sources included, faster research. It's amazing for learning new skills, researching trends, creating content, studying topics, finding business ideas. A lot of people are replacing traditional search engines with AI search tools because the answers are faster and more useful. And again, it's free. Next up is Notion AI. If your life feels disorganized, this tool can seriously help. Notion AI combines productivity planning, AI writing, organization, all in one workspace. You can create to-do lists, content calendars, business systems, project plans, video ideas, daily goals. Imagine having an AI assistant helping organize your entire workflow. For creators and entrepreneurs, this is a complete game changer. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, everything stays organized in one place. And the AI features help automate writing and planning, so you spend less time organizing and more time executing. Now here's a tool content creators are obsessed with right now, CapCut AI. If you're posting on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, you need this. CapCut uses AI to make editing ridiculously easy. It can auto-generate captions, remove backgrounds, clean audio, create transitions, turn long videos into shorts. And here's why this matters: short-form content is dominating the internet right now. People are building entire faceless channels using tools like CapCut. Some creators are getting millions of views without showing their face. And thanks to AI editing, you no longer need expensive software or advanced editing skills. That's why this tool is exploding. Next is 11 Labs. This tool feels futuristic. 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic AI voices. You can turn text into natural voiceovers that sound incredibly human. A lot of faceless YouTube channels are using AI voice tools right now to scale content faster. You can use it for YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, tutorials, ads, storytelling content, and the quality is honestly scary good. This is one of the biggest reasons faceless AI channels are growing so fast in 2026. Now let's talk about Grammarly AI. This is one of those tools that quietly saves you every single day. Whether you're writing emails, captions, scripts, tweets, essays, business messages, Grammarly instantly improves your writing. It fixes grammar mistakes, clarity issues, sentence flow, writing tones, so instead of sounding robotic or unprofessional, your writing becomes cleaner and more confident. And in today's world, communication matters more than ever, especially online. A simple message can literally influence sales, clients, opportunities, audience growth. That's why millions of people use Grammarly daily. Next up, Pictory. If you want to create faceless YouTube videos using AI, this tool is a goldmine. Pictory can turn scripts into full videos automatically. You paste your script, and the AI adds stock footage, subtitles, music, visual scenes, video clips for you. This is one of the easiest ways beginners are starting YouTube channels right now. No camera, no studio, no editing experience. And yet people are building channels around AI news, motivation, finance, facts, technology, side hustles. AI video tools are changing content creation completely. And finally, let's talk about why learning AI tools right now is so important. Most people are still ignoring this shift. But AI is rapidly becoming part of business, content creation, marketing, productivity, online work. The people learning these tools early are gaining a massive advantage. They're saving time, growing faster, automating repetitive work, building new income streams, and the best part, you don't need to be a programmer or tech expert anymore. These tools are designed for normal people. Creators, students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, beginners, anyone can start. That's why right now is probably the best time ever to learn AI. So here's the challenge. Pick just one AI tool from this video, and start using it daily for the next 7 days. You'll be shocked how much time you save. And honestly, once you start using AI consistently, it's hard to go back. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tools, side hustles, automation hacks, online income ideas, make sure to subscribe to AI Income Lab. And comment below which AI tool you want to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.